How's it going, everybody? In this video we'll be replacing the stabilizer links or sway bar on this 2015 Kia Optima. The first thing we want to do is make sure that our new parts are the same as our old parts before we remove anything. So you can just hold them up next to each other, make sure that they're the same length, everything's going in the same direction, and we look good. So to remove the stabilizer link, we just have the nut up top and the one on the bottom. These are 19 millimeters. I'm just gonna blast this one off with the impact, and this one should come off with a 1/2-inch ratchet. Then we'll have to put a jack underneath the control arm here, lift it up. That way the stabilizer link will realign and we can pop it out of the brackets. Alright, so we'll put the jack underneath the control arm right here to lift the suspension up. There we go. Bottom slides out, top slides out. And we'll keep it lifted so we can put the new one in place. All right, we should be able to slide the new unit in place. We'll start with the top here, and then we can raise the jack a little bit to line up the bottom. I like to get it relatively tight. That way, once things are lined up, we don't have any imbalance. There we go. Good. Then we'll jack it up a little more to line this bottom up. There we go. Good. Okay, we can lower it down. Good. All right, both sides are good and tight. All right, now that we have the one side done, we can move to the other and do the same thing. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you could, please leave a like and subscribe.